Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to install and use advanced mask in OBS Studio in a simple way. First, open your browser and search for advanced mask on Google. Open the website and download the plugin for your operating system. Once it's downloaded, extract the file and install it. Now open OBS Studio. Make sure your webcam is already added to your scene. Right click on your webcam source and go to filters. Then click the plus icon and add the advanced mask effect. Once you added it, keep the effect set to alpha mask. You can then change the mask type to anything you like. Try different options and you will see your webcam change into different shapes. For example, you can choose shape and then select the style you want. When you're happy with it, just close the window and you will see your webcam now has that new shape. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.